Hi everybody, how you doing? Today we're talking about automatic climate control with the RB5 and the 22-degree problem. Okay, first that is the control module. Okay, let's get the number here. See it? Okay. Start the car. This is your everyday RB5. Okay, this has the original HVAC control module in there, Alpha OBD, and set it to automatic temperature control. This RB5 is a 1367. Okay, climate. Okay, no auto. See that? No auto. All right, let's turn the car off. Go over here real quick. Okay, now this module, take this one out first. Oh. Alright, that module is from a 2013 Pursuit. Start the car back up. Climate, auto, bam, auto, bam. Look at that. No idea why. 72, 63. Hopefully you can see that. My bad video. Okay. And it's not clicking back. Alright, let's turn the car off. Put the original back in. As you can see, the model numbers are like about as identical as you can get. And okay, so let's put the original one back in. Man, get my stick. Ugh. Come on. Oh, not pushing hard enough. Alright, climate, auto, no auto. Now see that somehow it pairs it to the car, the module. It's kind of surprising that this 33 thing isn't popping back to 22. I think it will. We'll give it a second. Well, I don't know what the hell that was about, but well, I don't know what to make of that. But we can put the one that did not come factory with this car back in. Damn, did I hit the record button? Climate, auto, bam. Now you're not going to get circulation unless you add the temperature thing. There's a lot of shit to add. Okay, that's it.